Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be doing, hence the title, a watercolor portrait of these two horses. These are my two beloved boys that I used to have. This is my biggest piece ever, so I guess I'm kind of learning with you. And I say that lightly because I wouldn't really consider this a tutorial. I'm just going to be sharing my process on how I get to the end result. I'm a visual learner myself and I enjoy watching other people work, and then I kind of go off to the side and try things my own way or maybe twist things around. That's just how I learn, so that's kind of how I like to make my videos. And also, I am terrible at explaining things, and just to spare us the agony of sitting through my stumbling and mumbling on words because I don't know how to explain things eloquently. You see what I mean? I am just gonna do what I usually do and just play it on the screen. I'll maybe add some titles to give what I'm doing a little bit of clarity. And as always, you can always comment and I can maybe do my best to answer any questions that you might have. So with that being said, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope that you enjoy it, or you can take a few tips or tricks or see something that you like that I do or don't do that you wouldn't do. Or if you just have it playing in the background and you're painting yourself, I enjoy doing those too. So hopefully I chose a good music choice as you paint along as well. So yeah, again, thanks for watching and we'll see you at the end. This table is a big giant mess, but it is a mess with function. We have a lump of clay, some air dry clay, a breast pump, my yoga blocks, and what this is doing is creating hopefully somewhat even weight to flatten my piece that's underneath this pad.